The four-tailed monster is frozen. Drink some hot water. Excellent. Start examining to find out what the problem is. The patient ate too much and his stomach has swollen up like a ball. You are a genius. The four-tailed monster is coughing. Take some cough syrup. Amazing! The coughing has stopped. Let's make an ointment together. Apply it on the red bumps. The ointment you made is really good. Thank you. You are the best doctor. Green frog monster is sick. Let's start examining to find out what the problem is. Awesome! The lungs are clean now. Clean the wounds first. You are the best. Cover the wound with gauze after the stitches are put in. Look, the wounds have healed up. Do you know where the bad germs are? Let's make an ointment together. Apply it on the red bumps. The ointment you made is really good.
I feel fine now. Thank you, little doctor.
Squirrel monster seems so sick. There are 3 rotten teeth. Let's pull them out. Choose one tooth. Choose one tooth. Choose one tooth. You've placed a new tooth. We have a problem. The squirrel monster has a fever. Wipe his nose. Choose one fever patch. Thank goodness, his temperature has gone down. There are so many fleas. Let's catch them. Start examining to find out what the problem is. You've swallowed too many things. It must be painful. Incredible! You've removed everything.
I feel like myself again. Thank you, little doctor.
The one-eyed monster is sick. Please help him. The patient has a problem in his head. Please help him. That's amazing. Do you know where the bad germs are? The patient's eyes are red. Put in some eye drops. The eyes have healed now. There are 3 rotten teeth. Let's pull them out. Choose 1 tooth. Choose 1 tooth. Choose 1 tooth. You've placed a new
Feel fine
tooth.
now. Thank you, little doctor.
The snowball monster is frozen. Drink some hot water. Excellent. Let's find the germs together. A good kid always keeps himself clean. Apply some cooling ointment on the wound. You're the best. Start examining to find out what the problem is. There are some germs. Let's get rid of them. You're the best. It doesn't hurt at all, Doctor. You're the best. Green Frog Monster's heart beats very slowly. Let's give him first aid. Put him on a respirator. Thank goodness, Green Frog Monster's heart rate has returned to normal. This liquid medicine works well for chickenpox. Wow, my chickenpox is gone. Do you know where the bad germs are? Find the correct location of each bone. You are the best.
I feel fine now. Thank you, little doctor.
Squirrel monster seems so sick. Let's treat him. Start examining to find out what the problem. Awesome! The lungs are clean now. Let's find the germs together. A good kid always keeps himself clean. The patient has a problem in his head. Please help him. That's amazing. There are so many fleas. Let's catch them.
I feel like myself again. Thank you, little doctor.
The four-tailed monster is frozen. Drink some hot water. Excellent. Find the correct location of each bone. You are the best. The four-tailed monster is coughing. Take some cough syrup. Amazing! The coughing has stopped. The patient's eyes are red. Put in some eye drops. The eyes have healed now.
Thank you. You are the best doctor.